Hello and welcome to a brief tutorial on how to navigate Google Classroom for the Co-Intelligence course. Once you've logged in, you should be brought to this splash page. And over here, you're going to click on the Classwork tab at the top of your screen. Once you click on this, the modules should be available. Now, if it says no due date, it's because you're supposed to do something with it. So it says watch here first. So you go into the module itself, you click on the video and watch it. Next up, you're going to go to Just for Fun. This one is not graded. You click on the link as well. Within the link, it'll give you instructions on what to do. It'll give you pictures and diagrams on how to reply. And as you may have noticed in the activity, it says share your photos here. If it asks you to share, you're going to hit File, make a copy, save that copy to your drive. Now, once you've made that copy in your drive, you're going to be able to share it back once you've done the activity. You hit the share button here. You go from restricted to anyone with the link. It should say, can view, copy that link, and that's what you put in the reply to share documents for this class. Now, some of the activities require you to have a discussion. So click on the link below. It'll give you information on what to do, read, do. The assessment checklist is available to you. Then you come back here in the activity on your end, view the question. Once you've come into the discussion, go over here to your answer and simply type in your answer. If it asks you to comment on some other people's posts, this is where you would add comments to your classmates. Now for activities, you're going to click on the link below. You can view the instructions here. And you're going to go over here to turn it in. So you're going to create your own Google Doc. Answer the questions as appropriate. And then the button right here is how you submit your activities, the turn in button. This is crucial. If you don't click this turn in button, we do not receive the activities and you don't get credit. Once you hit turn in, you're still able to later edit it and rechange it if feedback is needed. Throughout each week, there'll also be a brain break, video of the week, classroom activities, and the major assignment is the Teacher's Guide to AI Integration that is due on the last week of the course. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick overview of Google Classroom for the Co-Intelligence course. Good luck. If you have any questions, please reach out to your instructors.